Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft a pickaxe in Hytale. The first thing you need is a workbench. So what you need to do to get a workbench, you can press tab to see the pocket crafting section, and here you'll see the workbench needs 4 tree trunks and 3 stones. To get stones, you just come here and you mine any of these rubbles, as you can see, and you should go ahead and get stones. And for tree trunks, you just come here and hit on these trees to give you some tree trunks. And then after that, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and press tab on your keyboard. This will open up the pocket crafting menu. Click here on workbench, and then you can craft your workbench. And once you have your workbench crafted, I want you to just come here and click on F, and that will open up the crafting section. From here, I want you to click on this icon to open up the tool menu, and then for pickaxe, I want you to just click on this. This is a crude pickaxe. They also have other pickaxes as well. As you can see, this is the iron pickaxe. It will need iron ingots, light leather, and these as well. This is a copper pickaxe. I'll just make the crude pickaxe. For this, you need any rubble. You hit stones for that. You need sticks when you go and hit on those trees, and you need plant fibers. I'll quickly show you where to get sticks and plant fibers. So here's a tree. Next to trees, you usually get these plants. I want you to go ahead and hit on these plants. It will give you plant fibers, as you can see, and here you can see we can mine these for sticks. Then you just come back here to this section right here. You go back to your workbench, and then you press F. You come here, click on that pickaxe, and you click on craft, and as you can see, I have my pickaxe crafted right here. And that is how to craft a pickaxe in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. It really helps me out.